for the dead only, we're for the living.
Family, for where the cause.
True.
Me say family.
Sure.
Family, and me say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would be a one of them. Real better them. That them no know when we a buy 3 sardines and the 1 pound of rice from shop.
Plain cake, $100 slice.
No struggle feel.
Yo, Team JSF, one team, all for early cause.
Come here, how are you doing? Come here. Yo, come here, that's the work. It's all about Jamaica Funeral Corp and it's the fundraising event. I know we are doing things. God bless.
Man loyal, too loyal. Someone with his sink off like Port Royal.
You see me?
My God.
It's on the fruit, the foot.
Family,
Yeah, I know this.
and me say family.
Sure.
Family, and me say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would be a one of them. Real better them. That them no know when we are buy 3.
Yeah, give. Shake down again.
What is the Jamaica Funeral Forum?
It's a body of funeral homes, island-wide and overseas, that come together as one. One of our main mottos is unity. United we stand, divided we fall.
What's the sole purpose for the Jamaica Funeral Forum?
It's for us to be of help to not only those who are part of the industry, but for the needy. There are institutions out there that has sick or homeless, less fortunate persons. Our main aim right now is to try and identify these areas and see how much we can be of assistance to them.
So what is this day all about?
Alright, this day is about us trying to accumulate funds to work towards whatever projects we will know have in store or can identify that we can work on.
When I came here and saw you all, it was like a meet and greet, family vibes, brotherly, sisterly love, not to mention the food.
Yeah.
I haven't tried the steamed fish as yet.
Also the pork is really good.
How can one become a member of the Jamaica Funeral Forum?
We have a Facebook page right now where persons do ask to join the group, but how can you contribute to the growth of this group? What impact will you have on what we already have established? It's not about just being a part of the group because you're a part of a funeral home or so. It's about the dedication, the hard work you're going to put in. At the end of the day, we want to make sure that what we have started, it will progress and we will get benefits from it.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, I am meeting up with other funeral home workers from all over the island. It's just a wonderful feeling to know that we have come together again today for one purpose. The unity is there, the love is there, the energy is nice.
I am Patrice McKnight. I'm representing the Anthony Brown Funeral Home, 17 Milford Road, Ocho-Rios. I am a proud member of the Jamaica Funeral Forum. I joined the Jamaica Funeral Forum in November of 2016. In February of 2017, my daughter fell ill at work. If it wasn't for the Jamaica Funeral Forum and everybody pulling in to assist financially, emotionally, and every other way possible, I don't think I would have made it through. My daughter spent a month and a half in St. Anne's Bay Hospital and then she went into a coma. She was in a coma for 2 weeks at the Bustamante Hospital for Children. It was a member of the Jamaica Funeral Forum that assisted me with somewhere to stay for the 2 weeks. And other members assisted me financially through the period of time that she was in the hospital. Her recovery has been good. I'm eternally grateful and I'm thankful for them. They are more than family to me. I love them all equally.
I'm Castle Salmon from Brown's Funeral Home, 51 North Street, Kingston.
My name is Alison Tyrrell and I represent the Mr. Funeral Home from Port Maria St. Mary.
My name is Jason Calvert. I'm the CEO for Inspirational Gospel Band. I'm from Montego Bay, St. James and Westmoreland.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Dwayne Kenway Mitchell, CEO of Mitchell's Funeral Home, Maple in Clarendon. I proudly represent the Jamaica Funeral Forum and I'm a very active member and I love this group dearly.
Hello everyone, I'm Tevin Grant. I represent the Whiteley and Sons Funeral Home, 3B Nelson Street, Maple. And I am here to say that I'm a proud member of the Jamaica Funeral Forum.
Good evening everyone, I am Robert Clark. I'm the CEO of Joshua's Funeral Service. I'm very proud to be a part of Jamaica Funeral Forum. It picks a sense of humility out of me. Teaches me to accept my brother as my brother, my sister as my sister. So therefore I consider all of us as one.
Yes, I'm Earl Scott, Director and owner of Scott & Son Funeral Service and Supplies from Amity, Westmoreland. I'm a proud member of the JFF. I'm glad to be a part of that. Thanks very much.
I'm Michelle Donaldson. I'm a morgue attendant for the Dallas Funeral Service in 135 Darland Street, Savannah Lamar. I'm a proud member of the JFF.
Good evening everyone. I'm Ron Hendricks of Hendricks Funeral Services and Supplies, 17.5 Moreland, Kingston 10. I'm a proud member of the Jamaica Funeral Forum and also a admin and assistant manager. Thank you.
I'm Mistress Arthur from Arthurs and Kane Funeral Service. A CEO of makeup artist in the Ferry. And we are at Negril, Vendors Plaza, Shop 34. And I'm happy to be a part of the Jamaica Funeral Forum.
My name is Dwayne Clark, a member of Pelican Funeral Service. My fellow co-worker here, Shane Campbell. Pelican Funeral Service is located at Petersfield, PO, and Waterloo. We also have our crematorium service at Savannah West Palm Memorial Service at 104 Darling Street. We are a proud member of Jamaica Funeral Forum and we are blessed to be in it.
My name is Wayne Stephen Black, representing Delapana Funeral Services, 39 Top Road, Brownstown, St. Anne. I'm a proud member of the Jamaica Funeral Forum Group.
I'm Delroy Johnson, representing the LP Martin Funeral Home. I'm a proud member of the Jamaica Funeral Forum.
I am Denton Bell. I represent Arthur's Funeral Home in Westmoreland. As a family, we intend to let it be this way.
My name is Shawnell Clark. I am a proud member and also the secretary for the Jamaica Funeral Forum. I represent Cummins Funeral Home, 22 Top Road, Brownstown, St. Anne.
And trust me, Jamaica Funeral Forum is the best group family that I have ever been a part of.
My name is Damian Moody. I am from Delapenas Funeral Home, proud member of the Jamaica Funeral Forum. Our slogan, united we stand, divided we fall, unity is strength. Not just a group, but we are a family. And I represent and stand for that.
Divided we